My name's Clare I am a workplace essential skills instructor and an English as a second language instructor. The panels themselves seem to be working amazingly well, so I have no problem with the panels. I believe my winter bills would be about $100 a month less. And then in the summer, I was actually paying nothing for electricity, and I was probably banking as much as I would have been using, previous months type of thing. And I've read a lot about solar and countries that are using solar a lot. Like Canada's a little bit behind the eight ball because people here are thinking, it's, Canada and we don't get enough sun in winter. These panels produce an amazing amount of power when the sun is up. And sometimes the sun in winter is actually much brighter and apparently with less clouds and things like that than in the summer. There were days in February that, these panels were cranking at full max. Yes, the days were much, much shorter, but the cold doesn't bother them at all. There's no moving parts. There's nothing to get frozen up, We made it pretty easy. Once I signed the contract, really, I didn't have to do anything. Everything else was done by them, all the inspections and all those other kind of things that needed to be done. And knowing that once I, signed the deal, that was it. That was what it was going to cost. There were no sort of hidden surprises or anything. And all the stuff showed up, and there was a big pile of solar panels and things that sat in my driveway. It really was only about 2 days getting all the panels themselves installed. They told me I would be making about 75, I think, % of my energy usage, and I believe they are producing more. I think the solar panels are amazing. Any regular person, I'm just a regular person, could make a big effort towards helping the environment. My next idea is I'd really like to have an electric car so that I would be producing electricity and some of it would be going into an electric car. I think that everyone that has the means to generate electricity out of something that's there anyway. The solar rays are going to be hitting my roof whether there's panels on it or not. Now I'm actually utilizing it. It was paperwork, of course, all done online. I did get the federal rebate, and I also got a rebate from NB Power. I think it came to about $7,000 altogether. A lot of people who were trying to dissuade me from solar panels were saying it's going to take 25 years to pay off. And I'm not sure how they figure that out. Months of the year where I have the least amount of sunlight, I'm saving $100. Even at a very low calculation of, 100 times 12 every year, I'm going to be paying these panels off before that. Energy is only getting more and more expensive. I'm pretty sure the resale of my house would be significantly more having the panels on it because people, moving in are going to know that they're going to, have the same savings on their electricity bill that I have. I'm proud to come home and see the panels on my roof. And actually they blend in so well with my roof. I think most people drive by and don't even notice that I have panels on my roof. As long as there's sun and as long as the panels are sitting there, no problem.